Let's talk about full buckle carriers. That's the backpack kind of carrier that a lot of people think about when they think about baby wearing or using a baby carrier. It has a buckle at the waist, straps that you can buckle, and they come in very different types and brands and adjustabilities and options. Not all are suitable from newborn. Some are sized. You can buy preschool and toddler sized carriers specifically for bigger babies. And even though it sounds like you can buckle up quickly, the adjustability part of it usually takes a little bit of time, especially getting a good fit. So that could take some practice. There's a lot of differences between buckle carriers when it comes to comfort and fit, so it makes sense to try a few different models to find your personal preferences and fit. This is specifically like a toddler carrier, so it has a very big back panel. This one doesn't have a padded waist belt, and this one, to adjust the size, you pull the carrier through. Here at the panel, but for many others it adjusts at the waist belt, and at the back panel, reducing the size. You have them in this knitted type of fabric, woven wrap fabric, mesh. Some have padded shoulder straps, straps that spread a little bit. Not all of them have buckles at shoulder straps to unbuckle, but some have shoulder straps with buckles, and sometimes you can also attach the buckles to your waist belt. This one is currently set up with a parallel or H style setting, so that's really like the backpack kind of setting. But if they can unbuckle, usually you can switch to a cross setting. One of the most important parts for comfort is that you don't want to have this buckle hanging at your neck. So you really want to have it lower on your back, and often you can just reposition where it is on the carrier. And if you find it hard to reach, you can close it before and slip through. But with this magnetic one, it's actually pretty easy. And now you can see that it sits lower on my back, which is more comfortable than here at your neck. This one adjusts in the height right here and at the waist belt. Some of them have really curved shoulder straps, and this one, for example, has the magnets at the shoulder strap as well. Most important thing is that the belt really goes up high, especially with a smaller baby. Once your baby is bigger, you can put it lower on your body, but you really want it to be positioned where you will be carrying your baby. You're not carrying your baby right there, so don't position the belt on your hips if you don't want to carry that low. And with this carrier you can clip it at the waist belt or at the side. Now if I cross it, so some carriers are specifically made to be worn crossed. and you can actually prepare the carry. So I bring one around, clip it already, tighten it a little bit, then I add my baby. Pull this one down, clip, and pull tight. I always want to go in, rotate their pelvis a little bit, make sure the back is supported, the carrier is up to their neck but not covering their head. Airways are free, chin off the chest. If your child is bigger and they want their arms out, that's fine as well. And then the carrier with the adjustable part comes in handy, so you can shorten the back panel and the arms can go out. If they fall asleep, you want to make sure they are completely supported again, so then you want to make the back panel larger so their arms can go in and they're supported. There's also a little bit of a hybrid between a full buckle carrier and a stretchy. So this type of carrier is made of stretchy fabric but has buckles, and it's similar to a full buckle carrier, but the feel is different because of the fabric that is used.